Yeah, my people, this is a rap battle between Official P, Israel Vibe, and Young Flush. Please pick the best rapper among the both and place them on the comment below, the one you prefer most, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks.
Yeah. It's about Young Flush. Yeah. It's about Young Flush. Young Flush, pourquoi? Come on. Every day, say I'm thinking about you, not hold up for you there. Every thinking about you, saying I like you, but maybe they can friend the go. But they say one day, say everything can me go. Mbebe kwa na hadi sing I love kwamu. I dey think about me love kwamu. You know say that you love and for you, that no be small thing. Every day can have to work, see baby, no be small thing. Baby me love kwa kamo kwa. The way you dey love me, baby, I didn't even come. No one day go leave me alone. I no got give for you, say you leave me. Every day can think about you, baby girl. The way you dey look me good, and you dey make me feel. The way you go, you just want to go. The way you don't wanna go, I want to get my car. Every day can think about.
Yeah, my people, I go by the name Official P, Israel Vibe. Yeah, pa, listen, one time, let's go, feel vibe. Yeah. Mo rántí ọjọ́ kan mo lọ bá Reminisce gbárẹ́ sílé tí mo wá ní 36. Mo rántí ọjọ́ yẹn mo máa ń gbé 36. Mo lọ restaurant ẹ lọ fún mi NSC. I don't need NSC, I need Pepsi. That's why I move closer to God. I don't need 666. Ṣó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kí lọ gba abẹ́rẹ́ mi because I don't need this. Èmi gangan ni ma convert for life to sister life. Èmi gangan ni ma ra best. My name is 666. Ṣó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn wo má lọ fà. Mo fẹ́ create mọ́tò kan, mo fẹ́ ní mẹ́ 666. Wo ṣó ti dé ẹ̀yẹ wo má lọ fà. Happy Christ to come. Everybody we have 666. Wo anybody tó bá like kóhùn kó dẹ̀ gbà wo. Ibi kọta disease tó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ mọ́lọ́fà Official P Israel ló dẹ̀ bá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ wò tí n bá lo software mi ò lo kitware mi ò lo kitware mi ò lo software yé pa yé one time let's go yé pa feel vibe yé pa yé.